In this video, we'll show you how to prepare your espresso machine for servicing. It is important these steps are followed to ensure your unit arrives safely to our service facility. Remove all parts and accessories. If your unit has a grinder, set the grind sets to the coarsest setting to grind out any remaining beans. Next, power off and unplug your unit. Remove the water tank and drip tray. Remove the bean hopper. Vacuum or clear the grinder of any remaining beans or grounds. Insert the power cord back into the cord storage or wrap it around the unit. Then tape the power cord to the water tank region. Tape the bottom side of the box with the round logo in the shape of the letter H. Place the first protective foam layer into the box. Wrap and place the unit into the box according to the shape of the protective foam. Place the second protective foam layer into the box according to the shape of the unit. Tape the blank top side of the box in the shape of the letter H. Your unit is now ready to be shipped. Print your provided prepaid label and drop off your packaged unit.